Those students who just joined right now, I am repeating the topic again for those students. Okay, beta? Those students who have just joined right now, I am there repeating the topic for them. Again, I am repeating, beta. Today is our topic about plant cell. Today is our topic about plant cell. Okay, but before going to the topic plant cell, we have to know about that what is a cell. Okay, what is a cell? So I am going to unmute the mic of any student. For example, I am going to unmute the mic of Danish. Yes, Danish. Just let me know
Yes,
that
yes.
what is a cell.
Cell is the smallest part of a living thing.
Very good. Cell is the smallest part of living thing. Now come to the topic back. That what is a cell? Cell is the smallest unit of living organisms that is capable of performing different life functions. They perform different functions in our body. Okay. Second point is that cell is the basic unit of life. Basic unit means our body can't survive without cell. Okay. Now next is all living things including plants and animals are made up of cells. कोई सी बॉडी हो चाहे वो प्लांट की बॉडी हो एनिमल की बॉडी हो ह्यूमन बींग्स आल्सो कंसिस्ट ऑफ एनिमल्स सॉरी सेल्स ओके now cells can only be observed under a microscope if you want to see a cell so you have to use microscope because you can't see the cell from your naked eyes okay class okay Vijay this is the basic knowledge about cell. So you have to know about that what is cell because before coming to the plant cell. Now next is about plant cell. Plant cell. Now we will discuss about plant cells. That what are plant cells? Plant cells are eukaryotic cells. Now the question arises that what is eukaryotic cell? Okay. So plant Yusra say properly. Plant cells are eukaryotic cells. Now everyone is thinking that what are eukaryotic cells? So come to the next slide. Okay. Note down this point that plant cells are eukaryotic cells. Okay. So what are eukaryotic cells? Look at the picture. Look at the picture. They both are looking very cute. Looking cute or not? Okay. So we have two types of cells. Prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Okay. So what are prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells? I'll just let you know. Danish, are you feeling sleepy? Wait, Danish, open your camera. Asghar, open your camera. Anaya, Amna Sheikh, Aryan, keep your cameras open. Everyone keep your camera. Danish, sit properly. And stop yawning. Abdullah Farhan, sit properly. Good. Everyone keep your cameras open, otherwise you are not supposed to be allowed to attend your class. Okay? This is compulsory for online session. Okay, now come to the next hot topic. We have two types of cells, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So what are prokaryotic cells? Rhymes with no. What is means no? Means they have no nucleus in their body. Just look at the picture. I know exactly where everything is because prokaryotic cells do not contain nucleus. Prokaryotic cells do not contain nucleus. Okay? This is the basic difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. What is the difference? Prokaryotic cells rhymes with no. Eukaryotic cells rhymes with do. Means they do not have nucleus. Prokaryotic cells do not have nucleus. Just look at the picture. Free floating DNA means they do not have nucleus. Their DNA floats in their bodies without nucleus. What is DNA? I will let you know in another next slides. Okay, so don't worry about DNA, that what is DNA. Okay, so the basic difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, that a prokaryotic cells have no nucleus in their bodies, and eukaryotic cells have nucleus in their body. You can see in the picture also that there is no nucleus in the body. We can see that the DNA is a thread-like structure. Look at the picture, everyone. See, there is a thread-like structure which is called DNA. Okay, which is floating in the body of prokaryotic cell without nucleus. Without nucleus. But when we talk about eukaryotic cell, so they have nucleus with and the DNA floating under the nucleus. You can see the difference. See, look at the difference. You can see the difference in picture also. So here are some points over here. A prokaryote is a unicellular organism. What are unicellular organisms? Means those organisms which have only one cell in their body. Okay, everyone? Which have only one cell in their bodies. Which have only one cell in their body. And that lacks a membrane bound nucleus. वही बात जो आपको मैंने बताई, they do not have nucleus and it is a unicellular organism. There are the two basic difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Okay. Now eukaryotic cells are cells that contain nucleus. I told you, and they are multicellular organisms. Multicellular means more than one. Means इनकी bodies में एक से ज़्यादा cells होते हैं. एक से ज़्यादा cells होते हैं. अब prokaryotic cells में only one cell. They have only one cell. Okay. Mubashir, why you are not note down your lecture? Mubashir, why you are not noting down your lecture? Is there any issue, Mubashir?
मिस हम लिख रहे हैं. मिस हम लिख रहे हैं.
Everyone, please keep note down your lecture. Dayan, open your camera. Amna, Umaira, and Aryan. Open your cameras, everyone. Aryan.
मिस फिर से वो स्क्रीन शेयर कर दे.
I'm sharing. I'm sharing. Just look at the picture and note down the point. That prokaryotic cells do not have nucleus and eukaryotic cells have nucleus in their body. Okay. Prokaryotic cells are unicellular and eukaryotic cells are multicellular organisms. Danish, what happened with you? You are not noting down your lecture. Okay, everyone. Now come to the next slide. Plant cell. Just like different organs within the body. For example, in our body we have different organs. Our body have heart, lungs, kidney, and so many organs in our body. Just like different organs in the body, plant cell structures includes various components known as cell organelles. What is called cell organelles? What is called cell organelles. Just like different organs within the body. हमारी बॉडी में जैसे different organs हैं, जैसे heart है, lungs हैं, kidneys हैं, and so many organs in our body, rib cages हैं. Just like that, plant cell also have different organs. So these organs are called cell organelles. What is called cell organelles? What we called it? Cell organelles. Look, cell organelle. Okay, this is called cell organelle. Okay, everyone. Now that perform different functions. Each component have different functions. For example, if we talk about human body, our heart perform different functions, our lungs perform different functions, our kidney perform different functions. Just like that, in plant cells, all the organelles have different functions to sustain itself. And what is organs? We have many organs. So first is cell wall. First is cell wall. First is cell wall. Second is cell membrane. Cell membrane. Third one is cytoplasm. Fourth is nucleus. Fifth is chloroplast. Sixth is vacuole. What? Vacuole. Don't talk on chat box. Aryan. And seventh is Golgi apparatus. What? Golgi apparatus. What we called it? Golgi apparatus. Everyone say, I'm going to unmute your mic. Everyone say what we called it. Hurry up. Unmute your mic.
Golgi apparatus.
Very good. What is called?
Golgi apparatus.
Very good.
Golgi apparatus.
Very good. Now next is mitochondria. What? Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Next is ribosomes. What? Ribosomes. Note down all these names. And last one is endoplasmic reticulum. What? Endoplasmic reticulum. Again, I am going to unmute your mic and I want to listen with you that what is called it endoplasmic reticulum. So everyone say what? What? What is the name of last one?
नाम समझ आया.
Endoplasmic reticulum. What? Say with me.
Endoplasmic reticulum.
Reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum.
Reticulum.
Okay, everyone. Again, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay.
Endoplasmic.
Sir, why your camera is not open? Open your camera.
Find it.
Amna Sheikh, open your camera. Muhammad Saqib, Ali Salman. Again, if you close the camera, so I will disallow from my class. You are not supposed to be take your class. Ali Salman, open your camera. Hurry up. Saqib, I want to see you. Good. Now, so we will discuss all these topics one by one. Mubashir, what do you want to ask later? Yes, Mubashir.
Yes, बताएंगी ये सेल
Sorry.
वॉल सेल में साइटोप्लाज्म अब बताए ना ये.
Yes, we will
मिस ये
discuss.
मुझे पहले भी पढ़ा हुआ है.
Or we will discuss all these organelles one by one. So first we will discuss about cell wall. First we will discuss about cell wall. Cell wall. So what is cell wall? The cell, the outer layer of cell. This is the outer layer of cell. Look at the picture of cell. See, here is the picture of cell. The outer layer, the yellow part. You can see the yellow part. The outer layer of the cell is called cell wall. Okay, especially the structure in plant cells that consist of cellulose. Cellulose. I will tell you that what is cellulose. Don't worry about it. So cell wall is the outer layer of a cell. Okay. So what is cellulose? Is the main substance. It is the main particle that is found in plant walls and helps the plant to remain stiff and strong. क्या करता है सेलुलोज? प्लांट को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखता है और उसको स्टिफ रखता है. ठीक है. They help the plant to keep. It helps the plant to keep strong and straight. Okay. What is the function? Okay, now listen everyone. Listen the functions carefully. All the functions of the organelles is very necessary, so listen the functions carefully. What is the function of cell wall? The primary function of the cell wall is to protect and provide structural support to the cell. क्या करता है cell wall? Plant cell को support provide करता है. Support, they provide support to the cell. Okay. What is the function of cell wall? They provide cell wall. They provide support and protection to the cell. Okay. Now look at the internal structure. See, this is the internal structure of cell wall. अंदर से हमारे पास सेल वॉल ऐसा दिखता है. ठीक है. अंदर से हमारे पास सेल वॉल कैसा दिखता है? ऐसा दिखता है. ठीक है. Look at the picture carefully. Maybe I will ask in quiz that what is the internal structure of cell wall. Okay. So what is the structure called? मैं भी आप लोगों से ये पूछ लूँ कि स्ट्रक्चर को क्या कहते हैं, किसका स्ट्रक्चर है. So look at the structure carefully. Okay. Maybe I will ask in quiz. Okay. So all of you are clear about cell wall? Just raise your hand. I want to see hands of everyone. Yes. Everyone is clear about cell wall? Yes, Abdullah. Mubashir, raise your hand. Dija, Asghar, Saad, Aryan. Good. Danish, still he is sleeping. And Saqib, Amna. Good. Abdul Rafi can't open his camera, so I will ask to Abdul Rafi that is there any issue with him. Yes,
मिस आप सेल वॉल का वो स्क्रीन शेयर करके वापस फंक्शन दिखा देंगी.
Definitely show you better. Don't worry about it. Mubashir, yes, Mubashir.
मिस मैं पहले ये कह रहा था, मुझे ये प्लांट सेल पढ़ा हुआ है, ये मैंने अपनी बहनों से समझा था. साइटोप्लाज्म ये सब कुछ मैंने पढ़ा हुआ है.
कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा से पढ़ ले, आपका रिवीजन हो जाएगा. ठीक है
जी मिस, रिवीजन. ये
साकिब, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू आस्क साकिब? साकिब, okay. Next, I am going to share again the slide screen share of cell wall. Look at the picture of it. You will ask about the function of cell wall now. The primary function of the cell wall is to protect and provide structural support. They provide structural support to the cell. They provide structural support to the cell. Okay. Now come to the cell membrane. Next organelle is cell membrane. Cell membrane, it is also called semi-permeable membrane. What? Cell membrane is also called semi-permeable membrane. Cell membrane is also called semi-permeable membrane, okay, that is present within the cell wall. After cell wall, cell membrane is present, okay. So cell wall is the outer layer and the cell membrane is the inner layer, okay everyone. Cell wall is the outer layer and cell membrane is the inner layer. Means after cell wall, cell membrane is present, okay. It is made up of thin layer. इससे मिलके बनते हैं cell membrane, protein and fat. Just like cell wall किससे मिलके बनता था? Cellulose से. So as like that, cell membrane is made up of protein and fat, and they have thin layer of protein and fat. Thin layer of protein and fat. Okay. They have thin layer of protein and fat. Okay. Now we will discuss about the functions of cell membrane. Listen the functions carefully. The cell membrane therefore has two functions. First is to be a barrier keeping the constituents of the cell in and unwanted substances out. Means इसका क्या मतलब है, मेरी बात सुनो. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये हमारे सेल मेम्ब्रेन सेल की बॉडी में एक बैरियर की तरह काम करता है. जैसे कि आपने देखा होगा ना कि अक्सर हमारे पास रोड पे या कुछ हमारे पास स्ट्रीट्स पे बैरियर लगे हुए होते हैं. बैरियर क्यों लगे हुए होते हैं? ताकि कोई आउटसाइडर एंटर ना हो सके अंदर. इसलिए लगे हुए होते हैं ना, इसलिए हम बैरियर लगाते हैं ताकि आउटसाइड को एंटर ना हो सके. इसलिए ये सेल मेम्ब्रेन एज अ बैरियर काम करता है. क्यों? ताकि बाहर से कोई अनवांटेड चीज सेल के अंदर ना आ सके. ठीक है, बाहर से कोई अनवांटेड चीज सेल के अंदर ना आ सके. सो यू कैन राइट इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, दे सर्व एज अ बैरियर. दे सर्व एज अ बैरियर. ओके. सेकेंड फंक्शन इज to be a gate. It is also called the gate of the cell membrane by allowing transport into the cell and essential nutrients and movement from the cell of waste product. मतलब जितने भी essential products होते हैं उनको ये अपने सेल के अंदर ले लेता है और जितने भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं उनको ये सेल से बाहर निकाल देता है. तो इसलिए हम इसको क्या कहते हैं? गेट कहते हैं. It is also called the gate of the cell membrane by because they provide essential nutrients to the cell and movement of waste products will go out of the cell. Now look at the picture everyone. Look at the picture. See, this is the cell membrane. You can see that the inner membrane is called cell membrane, which is a thick layer of protein and fat. ठीक है. So next is about cytoplasm. Because we have only 7 minutes, so this for all the topics we will discuss about in next class. Just let's discuss about cytoplasm. It is made up of mostly water and salt. किससे मिलके बनते हैं ये? Water and salt से. Okay. Cytoplasm are made up of water and salt. Cytoplasm is present within the cell membrane of all parts. Means the empty part. Look at the picture. ये जितना भी आपके पास सेल का जो empty part होता है ना, ये जो आपके blue part नजर आ रहा है, जितना भी blue part है, these all are called cytoplasm. These are all are called cytoplasm. We have 7 minutes. Who is messaging me? 7 minutes are left. I know the time. Don't worry about it. Cytoplasm is present within the cell membrane. Okay. So cytoplasm has various functions. The cytoplasm is responsible for giving a cell its shape. क्या करता है? साइटोप्लाज्म हमारे सेल को शेप प्रोवाइड करता है. हमारे सेल की जो शेप होती है वो किसकी वजह से होती है? Just because of cytoplasm. Okay. And it has to fill the cell and keeps organs in their place. इसके अलावा और क्या काम कर रहा होता है कि जितने भी ऑर्गन नजर आ रहा है आपको उसमें, यहाँ पे न्यूक्लियस है, डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनल्स हैं, तो ये अपनी जगह पर ही होते हैं. क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म. साइटोप्लाज्म हेल्प करता है कि जितने भी ऑर्गेनल्स हैं वो अपनी जगह पे ही जो है सस्टेन रहे, वो आगे मूव ना कर सके, ठीक है। So I'm going to unmute the mic of everyone because we have only 5 minutes. If you want to ask any question regarding today's lecture, just let me ask. Ji, just let me know. One by one, hurry up. Unmute your mics, everyone. Unmute your mics, everyone, and just ask me. Please. Hurry up, beta. You don't want to ask anything? Nobody. Unmute your mic.
क्वेश्चन नहीं है, सबको समझ आ गया।
दानिश, सबको समझ में आ गया? सबसे पहले दानिश बताएंगे फिर मुझे। What is cell membrane, दानिश? Hurry up.
Yes, miss.
What is cell membrane?
Cell membrane.
Rija, open your camera. Rija, open your camera.
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Rija. What do you want to ask?
Yes.
टीचर,
Hmm.
तो सारे बाकी जो बच्चे हैं वैक्यूल और बाकी
हाँ, we will discuss tomorrow.
Yes.
Remain-
आपने अभी
remain- Listen, beta. Remaining part we will discuss tomorrow because time is going to up now. That's why remaining part we will discuss tomorrow. On the part which I have explained today, I will ask question everyone tomorrow, and I want feedback from everyone. I want feedback from everyone.
आपने
Yes, Mubashir. Yes, Mubashir.
मिस आपने जो बताया साइटोप्लाज्म में ये होता है, मिस ये जिगली जेली भी होता है।
The jelly-like substance.
Yes,
Cytoplasm
jelly-like.
is a jelly-like substance. ये बिल्कुल जेली की तरह होता है, जैसे जेली होती है ना सॉफ्ट, ये बिल्कुल ऐसा सॉफ्ट होता है, ठीक है।
सेल्स उधर उधर होते रहते हैं उधर।
इतना जेली-like substance, और जितने भी ऑर्गेनल्स हैं वो साइटोप्लाज्म के अंदर प्रेजेंट होते हैं, ठीक है।
Yes,
और ये हमारे ऑर्गेनल्स को शेप प्रोवाइड करता है, ठीक है। दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ साइटोप्लाज्म। ओके, नाउ लिसन एवरीवन केयरफुली। आप मे भी आप लोगों के जो टॉपिक्स रह गए हैं इस प्लांट सेल के, उनको मैं कल कंप्लीट कर दूंगी, ठीक है। और आप लोगों का मे भी कल मैं क्विज कंडक्ट कर लूँ स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड का, ठीक है।
Yes, miss.
स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड का जो लेक्चर मैंने आप लोगों को दिया था लास्ट क्लास में, वो लेक्चर आप लोग पूरा सुनिएगा, कोई उसी में से होगा, ठीक है। तो आप लोग लेक्चर सही से सुन के पढ़ के आइएगा, जो पॉइंट इसमें लिखे हुए थे सब पढ़ के आइएगा, बिकॉज आई वांट फुल मार्क्स फ्रॉम एवरीवन। मुझे इस बार सबके फुल मार्क्स चाहिए और एवरीवन हैव टू अटेम्प्ट द क्विज। सबको क्विज अटेम्प्ट करना है फ्रॉम 5 रेड एंड 5 ग्रीन बोर्ड। एवरीवन हैव टू अटेम्प्ट द क्विज। ओके ओके एवरीवन। सो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ सीड्स आप लोगों का जो है वो आप लोगों का कल का होमवर्क है, आप लोगों ने क्विज की प्रिपरेशन करनी है। और जो टॉपिक आज हमारे प्लांट सेल के रह गए हैं, रिमेनिंग पार्ट वी विल डिस्कस इट टुमारो इंशाल्लाह, एंड द वर्कशीट अबाउट प्लांट सेल वी विल सॉल्व इट टुमारो। लुक एट द वर्कशीट. This is the worksheet of plant cell. Everyone look at the worksheet. See, here is a diagram of plant cell. You will label it, but I will give this homework tomorrow. Okay? I will give this homework tomorrow after explain all the parts. After explain all the plants, I will give this homework tomorrow. So everyone, be prepared yourself for quiz. Maybe I will conduct the quiz tomorrow. So be prepared yourself. Okay? And those parts I have explained today about plant cell, all of you will see the lecture again, and I will take reviews in next class. Okay? Yes. 2 minutes left. If you want to ask any question, just ask. 2 minutes are left. 2 minutes are left.
मिस 1
टीचर,
minute
आपने
is
जो
left.
टीचर आपने जो एक वर्कशीट दी थी प्लांट क्लासिफिकेशन वाली, उसमें जो क्रॉसवर्ड है टीचर उसमें मुझे टू नहीं आ रहे।
I will share screen share. I will send you screenshot with on WhatsApp group. On WhatsApp. ठीक है?
ओके।
Any question?
No.
Okay.
टीचर मुझे भी क्रॉस करके ना सेकंड लास्ट समझ नहीं आ रहे।
Okay, I will share picture with you, class. Don't worry about it. Okay. So everyone take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, and be prepared yourself for quiz. Maybe we will conduct it tomorrow.
अल्लाह हाफिज।
Allah Hafiz.
Hafiz.